Need to turn an MP3 into an editing-friendly WAV? This workflow is useful when an editor, archive, or app expects PCM WAV. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open MP3 to WAV Converter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a MP3. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. No quality setting is needed because the result is uncompressed PCM. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces a WAV file with the same program duration. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. WAV is much larger and cannot restore detail already lost in the MP3. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.